Ever wondered if Indian IPTV is legal in the USA? Before diving into legality, check 2TV.store, a premium IPTV provider. Contact Nancy for help. Link in description. Now, let's delve into the nuances of legality surrounding Indian IPTV in the USA. Copyright laws are often considered the primary governing factor when determining IPTV legality. Some IPTV services might operate in a gray area. They seem legal but tread a fine line. It's crucial to know your rights as a consumer before proceeding. Always look for authenticated sources that have licensing agreements to broadcast specific content. This ensures you're enjoying your shows within the legal framework. Remember, accessing IPTV through legitimate means keeps you away from potential legal confrontations and ensures quality viewing without disruptions. In conclusion, understanding the legal landscape is key. Stay informed, choose wisely, and explore the top IPTV options like 2TV.store. For any help, contact Nancy.